Pollen mostly comes from wind-pollinated plants, which are usually dull and green because they don't need to attract insects with colour or scent. These plants produce large amounts of lightweight pollen that the wind carries over long distances. In contrast, brightly coloured flowers attract bees and other pollinators and produce less pollen, as they don't rely on the wind as much for fertilisation. The pollen itself is an extremely fine powder made up of tiny particles released by plants and trees as part of their reproductive cycle. There are a number of pollen types, and depending on the time of year, the kind of pollen in the air will be different.